Enginetech's high-performance line is your source for hundreds of high-performance brands, from classic to modern muscle. Did you know? Competition rebuild specialists are on our customer service team, serving you with the knowledge that helps you serve your customers.
My background with high performance started at an early age with my dad. He was into drag racing back in the 70s, and he had a 1970 Duster when I was 10 years old. And so he'd always drag me to the racetrack and go racing. And so always trying to get the car ready on weekends and getting the battery in there and hightailing it to the racetrack and having a good old time, good memories. I loved it. And that's where the sickness started, basically. And so that evolved. I get older, start getting my own cars and start tinkering with them, and got to have the engine pop the hood and want to make it go faster. Just evolved into working on other people's cars, their race cars or their muscle cars, swapping engines, building engines, fixing, repairing, whatever. Just a basic, hobby for me, and I really enjoy it. And that extends all the way up to later times in my life doing professional NHRA drag racing, nitro funny cars. I enjoy the heck out of that too. That's the pinnacle of engine modification there, and enjoy it very much.
Enginetech has hundreds of brands to choose from. Call 800-869-8711, option 4 for availability.
Hi, I'm Charles with Enginetech, your high performance expert. Just wanted to tell y'all that we do have a high performance department, and I wanted to make sure y'all know that y'all are in good hands with it. I have been doing high performance for as long as I can remember. I started working on cars, turning wrenches with my dad in his shop at probably about the age 10, and I just fell in love with cars and always wanted to make them go faster. Whether it was a go-kart or two-wheel motorcycle or four wheels, my 69 El Camino that I got to restore with my father. It's just been a non-stop performance echelon for me. I've always been about going making stuff faster. I have built many of race motors for people over the years, whether it be dirt track or drag strip. I do know how to do the formulas and the mathematics. I'm really good with the math. So if there's anything y'all need as far as wanting compression ratios figured out or torque curves and everything for your transmission, don't hesitate to give us a call. I want to make sure y'all know y'all are in the right hands for the job. So when y'all do call our 800 number, to be me that you're speaking with for the high performance. I am your go-to guy for that. Of course, like I said, my name is Charles. My direct extension is 221, and it will send you straight to me.